Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. My name's Alison and today I'd love to share with you some projects made with our timeless tea jar. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at this one. This is bejewelled. The lids come off. There's plenty of room in there to pop a lovely little prezi. Nice little trinkets. These could sit on any dressing table. Absolutely stunning. So the patterns have been laid on top here, but I've got some more where the patterns have been cut in. This is another gorgeous one. Lovely little layers here. Nice little bit of bling. You know we love a bit of bling. But if you're not fancying doing all the cutting, why not just use your beautiful pattern papers? So you cut all your panels just with pretty paper. Lovely, lovely project. And again, all this has been cut. It's been drop shadowed as well. If we look behind, there's a little layer of pale blue behind the white. So that's lovely. And then again, we've got some of our handmade papers. These give a lovely little bit of texture to your project. And again, a complimentary jar done with some plainer colours. Really pretty, but finished off with the lovely gems. And then we've got the taller jar then. Very, very elegant, I think this is. And if you look at the top, you can see all the deboss detail. It's all around the side panel here. So, so pretty. And then Christine then has created a couple of cards, making the shapes that come with this set. So she's used the triangles to make this gorgeous card, very modern, really different. And then used the panel for the best wishes. So I hope you've enjoyed this little bit of inspiration. Don't forget, share your projects with us on our social media channels. And happy crafting!